ॐ श्रीगणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्रीसरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्रीहनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं। ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्रीतुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्रीतुलसीदासाय नमः। हरि ओम, a very warm welcome. The most beautiful region, Bharata, Shatrughna, Atri Muni, all of them had gone and viewed entirely after taking permission from Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji. And having come back, Atri Muni ji spoke to Ramchandra ji about the glory of this wonderful place and that well remember where all the sacred waters have been deposited. And it was also called Bharat Koop, we know. We discussed it yesterday. Continuing in the 311th Chaupai, कहत धर्म इतिहास सप्रीति भयवु भोरुनिसि सो सुख भीति नित्य निवाहि भरत दो भाई राम अत्रि गुर आय सुपाई सहित समाज साज सब सादे चले राम बन अटन पयादे कोमल चरण चलत बिनु पनहि भई मृदु भूमि सकुचि मन मनहि कुस कंटक काकरी कुराई कटुक कठोर कुबस्तु दुराई मही मंजुल मृदु मार्ग कीन्हे बहत समीर त्रिविध सुकलीन्हे सुमन बरषि सुर घन करि छाहि विटप फूलि फल तृण मृदुताहि मृग बिलोकि खग बोली सुबानी सेवहि सकल राम प्रिय जानी सुलभ सिद्धि सब प्राकृत हूँ राम कहत जमुहात राम प्राण प्रिय भरत कहूँ यह न होई बड़ी बात सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। कहत धर्म इतिहास सप्रीति भयवु भोरुनिसि सो सुख भीति। Then the whole night was spent in narrating big, great legends, sacred legends, and it was beautifully spoken with lots of affection, love, till the dawn. They never realized that it is already morning. Huh? सुबह हो गया. People were thinking. नित्य निबाहि भरत दो भाई राम अत्रि गुर आय सुपाई. Then Nitya Nibahi, all the morning chores were finished. Bharata and Shatrughna, do bhai, Rama Atri Gura Aaya Supai, receiving permission from Sri Ramchandra ji and Atri Muni, and of course preceptor Guru Vasishtha ji, they took permission. Sahita Samaj Saj Sab Sade, accompanied. And in small, simple attire, they went around the place. Chale Ram ban atan payade. And they proceeded with simple attire again to see all the places. Other than that place where they went to deposit the water, they wanted to see all the places where Ramchandraji had walked, sat, etc., etc. So they went. But then how did they go? They went on foot, not chariot and everything, and simple attire, not with kirita, jewels, etc., etc. Very simple attire. They all went, and they only went to places that were associated with Rama. Not just like that, like how we go for sightseeing. Only that which is associated with Rama they wanted to see, and then they went to all those places. Now, see how beautifully Prakriti responded to Bharatji, Shatrughanji, and then all the others. How beautifully Prakriti responded and supported their, viewing the whole place. कोमल चरण चलत बिनु पनहि. Binu panahi, without even footwear. Komal charana, the tender feet. Chalata, it is walking without shoes. Even the earth was feeling so uncomfortable. Bhai mridu bhumi sakuchi mana manahi. The earth, what did Bhuma Devi do? She immediately softened all the surfaces and all the thorns and pebbles, etc. She quietly hid into the surface of the body of the earth and then made beautifully soft for them to walk. Kusakantaka kakari kurai kutaka kathora kubastu durai. Very hard and very tough places slowly became very, very soft for them to walk. All the potholes kind of a thing, everything got quietly filled. Then all that spiking blades of thorns or sticks, etc., quietly went inside and made it very, very beautiful. Then everywhere the kusha grass came up, thorns went inside, all these stones and pebbles and granules, etc., all of them became level so that it will not poke the feet of all those wonderful devotees of Bhagavan. Mahimanjula mridu maraga kinhe bahata samira tribida sukhalinhe. In this way, earth, Bhuma Devi, made the path so delightful and smooth for all of them to walk and have a beautiful view and not get distracted by all these. They forgot about the feet. Where should I put my feet? Where should I keep? Is there a pebble? Is there a thorn? All that they forgot. They started just walking because everything was very smooth. And Bahata Samipa Trividha Sukhaline. Even, all the 5 elements supported. Even Agni supported by not heating up the place because of the Surya Devata or something, because of the scorching sun, etc. In fact, sun god also cooled himself. And there was so much beautiful, fragrant breeze all over. And it was very cool. It was not very forceful, harsh, etc. Very soft and fragrant breeze flew. Sumana barashi suraghana kari chahi bitapa phuli phalatrina mridutahi. And Bhagavan, Bhagavan's Ashirvadam is such that all the celestial beings, as always, they, rained flowers. And all those flowers settled down in the earth and they also made it so soft and beautiful. And clouds, they said, what do you think I am? I will also contribute. So clouds came over them so that there would be lot of shade. How beautiful Prakriti. See, this is one very important point. When we are sincere, devoted, committed and focused, entire Prakriti will come and support. Look at that. Bitapa phuli palitrina mridutahi. All the trees, they all started, giving up beautiful flowers, colorful flowers and everything. People would have such beautiful sight. And some of those who would give fruits. The fruits would come down like that. Come on, take me, eat me, take me. Like that, they would also come down. Even those which are top would, as a bend to inspire, to attempt. Come on, take me. I am very tasty. Take. And grass, of course. Trina mridutahi. The grass also would be so soft. Mriga biloki khaga boli subani sevahi sakala rama priyajani. Mriga, deer. Very beautifully they would jump and then turn and say, did you see me? Am I looking good? Some people do at homes also, isn't it? And original deer, so beautiful. And the birds also, they came, sat down nearby and they also whispered. They also wanted to speak to them. They also wanted to have a relationship with them. And with some sweet notes, they also made chirping, this one, which would be so beautiful. With like a musical instrument, even it would whisper. Seva hi sakala. In this way, everybody wanted to serve to the two princes. Bharata and Shatrughna ji, because they are the most beautiful beloved brothers of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji. सुलभ सिद्धि सब प्राकृत हु राम कहत जमुहात. When all these supernatural powers became so easily attainable in ordinary individual's life, Rama kahata jamuhata, one who utters the name of Rama. Even while jamuhata means yawning. Even while yawning, one says Rama. One may wonder, Swamiji, how can you, while yawning you open the mouth? How can you say Rama while yawning? See, after finishing the yawning, you definitely close your mouth, right? So, Rama. There also, if you can say Rama, that is the way Rama Bhakta lives. And anyone, even while yawning, if you say Rama, the entire Prakriti will help him for a very wonderful job which he takes. Now see, Rama Prana Priya Bharata Kahun Yahan Hoi Badi Baat. And this is not great thing to Bharata, because he is Rama Priya, Prana Priya. Therefore, all this happening to Bharata and Shatrughna is not a very big thing. It is natural. Continuing. Ehi bedhi bharatu phirat ban mahi nemu premu lakhi muni sakuchahi punya jalashraya bhumi vibhaga khagamrga tarutrna giri ban baga चारु विचित्र पवित्र विशेषी बूझत भरतु देव्य सब देखी सुनि मन मुदित कहत ऋषि रावु हेतु नाम गुण पुण्य प्रभावु कतहु निमज्जन कतहु प्रणामा कतहु बिलोकत मन अभिरामा कतहु बैठी मुनि आय सुपाई सुमिरत सीय सहित दो भाई देखी सुभावु सनेहु सुसेवा देहि असीस मुदित बन देवा फिर ही गई दिनु पहर अढ़ाई प्रभु पद कमल बिलो कहीं आई देखे थल तीरथ सकल भरत 5 दिन माझ कहत सुनत हरिहर सुजसु गायउ दिवसु बैसाज सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। एहि विधि भरतु पिरत बन माही नेमु प्रेमु लखि मुनि सकुचाही. In this way, Bharatji and Shatrughna along with others roamed about in the forest. Nemu premu lakhi muni sakuchai. And all the munis, all of them felt a little inferior. Why? See, it is not Ramchandraji who is walking, Bharatji and Shatrughnaji. Why they were feeling inferior? Because the discipline which Bharata and Shatrughna followed, even while walking, even while roaming around to just see the way they walked, the discipline they showed, even the Munis felt a little low. Munis felt a little inferior, looking at the devotion, the austerity, the commitment, the discipline of both the brothers. Punya jalashaya bhumi vibhaga khagamriga tarutrana giri bana bhaga. The sacred ponds and the stretch of land, so beautiful land, khaga, birds, mriga, beasts, animals, taru, trees, trina, grasses, giri, hills, bana, forest, Baga, gardens, orchids, gardens. All of them, Charu Bichitra Pavitra Biseshi, were very, very charming, wonderful, and primarily they are all very holy. That is why, all these places they talk of Sthala Purana. Whenever you go to one Punya Sthala, then there is something called Sthala Purana. And that Sthala Purana is only to indicate how holy that place is. Bujhat bharatu debya sab dekhi. Seeing all of them so divine. Bharatji asked some questions to Atri Muni about its Mahima, and Atri Muni went on happily, joyfully expressing, narrating the great Purana, the Sthala Purana, and the Mahima of all those places, especially all the more because Ramchandra ji has walked those places. Suni mana mudita kahata rishiravu hetu nama guna punya prabhavu. Atri Muni, with lot of joy, talked all about Hetu, origin, Nama, name, Guna, its quality and attributes, Punya, Prabhavu, the most purifying virtues and glory of each place. Katahu nimajjana, katahu pranama, katahu bilo katak mana abhirama, katahu baiti muni aaya supai, sumirata siya sahita do bhai. At a particular pond, katahu nimajjana, taking a dip. Katahu pranama, in other places, they did namaskara. Offered pranam, sometimes dirgha danda pranama, sometimes with folding hands. Katahu bilo katamana abhirama, and every beautiful sights that they were seeing, it was so enchanting, so enticing to the soul, so charming. Katahu baiti muni aaya supai. At some places, all of them sat down with the permission of the sage, and sitting down, the sage would reveal the glory of that place. Like how we all also go to some trip and things like that. One guide will be there with a small mic and one speaker, and then at one point he will get up at a higher pedestal on a stone or a platform, etc., and call, come here, I'll tell you. And then he will talk to the glory about that particular spot. Similarly, Atri Maharaj called all of them, make them sit down. If this one is little longer, he will make them sit down. While sitting down, they will also get relaxed. At the same time, they will also listen to the whole thing. Sumirata siya sahita do bhai. And remembering Sita ji and Ramchandra ji along with Lakshman ji. Dekhi subhavu sanehu sase suseva. Seeing Bharata's beautiful behavior, conduct, his love and affection towards Bhagavan, and his loyal services. Dehi asisa mudita banadeva. Even the gods were so very delighted, and all of them blessed both the brothers. फिरहि गए दिनु पहर अढ़ाई, प्रभु पद कमल बिलो कहि आई. Then the third part of the day almost, then they would all watch everything, and then finally at the end of the during probably by the time it is sunset is called as the third part of the day, all of them would return to the camp and then sit in front of Bhagavan Ramchandra ji and gaze at his beautiful lotus feet. That was a very important activity for all of them. Dekhe thalati rath sakala bharat panch din majh. Bharat ji visited all the sacred spots in 5 days. It is said, the entire Chitrakoot. Bharatji means all of them put together. Kahata sunata hari hara sujasu gayavu devasu bhai sanj. The final day, the 5th day, was spent discussing the glory of Bhagavan Vishnu, Hari, and Hara, Bhagavan Shiva, until it was dark. It is said in one of the commentary, it is said, see, we don't have actual confirmation or authority of whatever, because it is so many thousand years back. Uh, it is said it was almost 80 days from the time they had left Ayodhya. What calculations we don't know. Okay, but then there is a mark. Since there is a mention, I thought I will share that thought with you. Around 80 days it is said they had walked. Continuing the 313th Chaupai. भोर नाई सब जुरा समाजु भरत भूमि सुर तेरहुति राजु भल दिन आजु जानी मन माही राम कृपाल कहत सकुचाही गुर नृप भरत सभा अवलोकी सकुचि राम फिरि अवनि बिलोकी सील सराही सभा सब सोची कहु न राम सम स्वामी संकोची भरत सुजान राम रुख देखी उठी स प्रेम धरि धीर विशेषी करि दंडवत कहत कर जोरी राखी नाथ सकल रुचि मोरी मोहि लघि सहे सबहि संतापु बहुत भांति दुख पावा आपु अब गोसाई मोहि देवु रजाई सेवऊ अवध अवधि भरि जाई जेहि उपाय पुनि पाय जनु देखै दीन दयाल सो सिख देय अवधि लगी कोसल पाल कृपाल सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। भोर नहाई सब जुरा समाजु. The whole assembly, Bhora, early morning, next morning, Nahai Sabu, all of them took bath. Bharata Bhumi Sura Terahuta Raju and met Bharatji, Bhumi Sura, Brahmanas, Terahuti Raju, Janaka Maharaj. They met all of them. Bhaladina Aju Jani Mana Mahi. Though knowing inside, in the heart, they knew what? That day was some auspicious day. How? Ramu Kripala Kahata Sakuchai. Ramchandra ji, with a so tender heart, he really hesitated to say something to Bharata. He wanted Bharata to take all of them back to Ayodhya. It is high time. Is it not? 80 days, we just saw the number. He saw everybody being inconvenienced, troubled. Though for them they were not finding it that way. They were happy because Ramchandraji was there. But Ramchandraji, he loves all of them so much. And he saw them having difficulty and inconvenience. And that he wanted to tell Bharata, it is time now you go. But he could not tell them because he was hesitating if Bharata would, feel offended and things like that. However, he knows Bharata, you see. Guranripa Bharata Sabhavaloki Sakuchi Rama Phiri Avani Biloki. Ramchandraji slowly looked at Vashishtaji. And then he looked at King Janaka. And then he looked at the assembly. Everybody were quiet, please note. And then Ramchandraji looked and then looked. When that look is given, turned towards everybody, Sakuchi Rama Phiri Avani Biloki, and very next moment he felt nervous how to tell. And so his eyes naturally went down, his head turned downwards because he was unable to tell, because of the love he had for all of them. At the same time, he was hesitating. Sila Sarahi Sabha Sab Sochi. And the assembly, people who were there, they understood that Ramchandraji wanted to say something, and at the same time he is so much hesitating because he was worried if people will feel bad. They could find out. It is so easy to understand the heart of a beloved, they say. Not the modern beloved. I am talking of the truly, the one whom you love even today, for eternity. The real person whom you really love, you can read their heart, you can read their mind. It is possible. So, people who are there, they could feel, because everybody loves Ramchandraji so much. Whole assembly thought, Sabha Sab Sochi, Sila Sarahi, Kahuna Rama Sama Swami Sankochi. He could have told, but the way he hesitated, Guru understood. The teacher understood. Bharata Sujana Rama Rukha Dekhi. Bharata, even he. The amount of love what Bharata has for Ramchandraji is beyond even imagination. So how much can Bharata read Bhagavan's heart and what is running in his mind? So Bharata was clever enough, Sujana. Rama Rukha Dekhi, he saw that there is something, some wish is persisting in Ramchandraji. Uthisa prema dhari dhira biseshi. Then he composed himself. And with lots of love, with good feelings, he rose. Uthi saprema dhari dhira, bring restraint, bringing some courage to himself. Kari dandavata kahata karijori. Karijori with folded hands, he did a complete pranam, dandavata. Rakhi Natha Sakala Ruchi Mori. Hey Natha, hey Bhagavan, hey Prata, Rama, you have given me everything, Natha. Sakala Ruchi Mori, you have fulfilled all my desires. Who else can be blessed so much? You have blessed me so much. Mohilagi sahevu sabahi santapu. For my sake, sahevu sabahi santapu. So everybody have, withstood all the pain, inconveniences, trouble. They have sahevu, they have withstood. Bahuta bhati dukha pava apu. And you, my Lord, you also were put into lot of inconvenience because of all of us. And therefore, Mohi Devu Rajai, please permit us to leave so that you can be comfortable, happy, peaceful, and others also, their inconvenience can be ended. Therefore, please permit us to leave. Give me your permission. Sevam avadhi bhari jai, so that I may go back to Ayodhya and remain there as your sevaka and do what you instruct me to do. See how humility at its highest. Jehi upaya puni paya janu dekhai deen dayal so sikha deya avadhi lagi kosala pala kripal. Instruct me, O Lord of Kosala, please instruct me and tell me the means by which I can practice. What will I practice? For the remaining period of your exile, your servant. Your servant, please note, your servant may be enabled to behold the feet of the merciful Lord, you, He Bhagavan, and serve the nation, the kingdom. Continuing, Purajana Parijana Praja Gosai सब सुचि सरस सनेह सगाई राउर बदि भल भव दुख दाहु प्रभु बिनु बादि परम पद लाहु स्वामी सुजानु जानि सबही की रुचि लाल सारहनि जन जी की प्रणत पालु पालिहि सब काहू देवु दुहु दिसि और निबाहु असमोहि सब विधि भूरि भरोसो किए विचारु न सोचु खरोसो आरती मोर नाथ कर छोहू दुहु मिलि कीन ढीटु खठी मोहू यह बड़ दोषु दूरी करी स्वामी तजि सकोचु सिखैय अनुगामी भरत विनय सुनि सबहि प्रशंसी खीर नीर बिबरन गति हंसी दीन बंधु सनि बंधु के बचन दीन छलहीन देश काल अवसर सरिस बोले राम प्रवीण सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. Oh, chopais are so beautiful, so beautiful. Purajana parijana praja gosai sab suchi saras saneha sanai. Your citizens, praja, purajana praja, parijana, your own kinsmen, family, other subjects, the entire people. Hey Gosai, my lord, sab suchi sarasa sani sagai, all are, steeped in joy. And that joy is what? Because of your love towards them and their love towards you also. It is not just one-sided love. It is both-sided love which fills the heart to the core on both sides. And therefore, that joy is so immense, so deep, so powerful that it forgets everything. Therefore, there is no inconvenience. Think. And they will bear all such inconveniences because of the relationship they have with you, O Lord. राउर बदि भल भव दुख दाहु प्रभु बिनु बादि परम पद लाहु. What a beautiful statement. He says, it is better if there are torments, if there are inconveniences, birth, death, any type of agony, we are ready to face it if you are with us. With you and without you, Prabhu Binu, Badi Paramapadalahu, without you, O Lord, even the supreme blessedness is a torture for all of us. With you, there is no inconvenience, and without you, even Swarga will be a pain. स्वामी सुजानु जानी सबही के रुचि लालसा सहनि जन जी के. Hey Swami, Sujanu, you are such a brilliant one. Jani sabahi. You know everything. Why? You are the very antaryami. You are the very inner principle in every one of us. You know everything. Ruchilala sarahani jani jike. No, even though you know everything, you know the servant's heart, you know we people, the bhaktas, liking and longing, etc., etc. Pranata palu pali sab kahu, devu duhu disi or nibasu. And you know all of our way of life. Hey Sujanu, hey Pranatapalu, you are the only protector. And you can be that protector only when you know everybody and you know everybody. Is it not? And therefore, you are protecting all of us. Why should we worry? Devu duhu disi aura, dehi duhu disi aura nibahu. And you will take care of all of them. Both in this world or nibahu and in the next world, wherever we are supposed to go. Here and later, you will take care. Asamohi sababidhi bhuri barosu. This we are fully confident. We have no doubts at all. In any way, we have no doubts. Kiye bicharuna sochu kharoso. And when we ponder over this, when we do vichara of this, I am not the least disturbed. Bharatji says to Ramchandraji, Arati mora natha karachohu. O Lord, Arati mora, my own distress. Natha karachohu, and the love which you are showering on all of us, both of them have combined together and makes me feel impertinent that I have made a mistake. What is that? Yaha bada doshu duri kari Swami. I have made two important mistakes. What is that? Tajai sakocha sikhaya anugami. Please instruct. What is the fault I did? I have brought all of them here without your permission. And two, I have made everybody, uncomfortable. There is so much of discomfort because of my impertinent action of coming here and bringing all of them. Therefore, Tajisakochu Sikhaya Agnugami, please instruct me without any reservation. Please guide me. Bharata binaya suni sabahi prasamsi. Everybody who saw Bharata with this much of emotions, love towards Ramchandraji, and the way he spoke so beautifully, everybody applauded. Everybody were so moved. Kira nira bibaranagati hamsi. Everybody said, Bharata is like the swan. Bharata is the one who has understood the condition. And so beautifully, now he is speaking to Bhagavan Shri Ramchandraji. Deena bandhu suni bandhu ke bachana deena chalahina desa kala avasara sarisa bole Ramu prabina. Hey wise Rama, the one who is a Deena Dayal, who is a befriender of all those people who are afflicted by problems, suffering, etc. And the one who very quietly listens to, who heard the pure intentions and presentation, the speech of his brother Bharata. Now he replied in appropriate to the place time and occasion. Desa kala avasara sarisa bole Ramu Prabhina. Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji now speaks. Now we will read 315. तात तुम्हारी मोरी परिजन की चिंता गुरहि नृपहि घर बन की माथे पर गुर मुनि मिथिलेसु हमहि तुमहि सपने हूँ न कलेसु मोर तुम्हार परम पुरुषार्थु स्वार्थु सुजसु धर्मु परमार्थु पितु आयसु पालिहि दुहु भाई लोक बेद भल भूप भलाई गुर पितु मातु स्वामी सिख पाले चले हुकुमग पग पर ही न खाले अस बिचारी सब सोच बिहाई पालहु अवध अवधि भरि जाई देसु कोसु परिजन परिवारु गुर पद रजहि लाग छरु भारू तुम मुनि मातु सचिव सिख मानी पालेहु पुहुमि प्रजा रजधानी मुखिया मुखु सोचाहिए खान पान कहूँ एक पालिय पोषई सकल अंग तुलसी सहित विवेक सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. Another beautiful chaupai. Tata, my dear brother, तुम्हारी मोरी परिजन की चिंता, तुम्हारी your mori mine, parijana people, chinta all of our thoughts, all of our worries, gurahi nripahi ghar banaki. All the problems whatever we may face in administering, let us say, Gura Vasishta ji and Nrupahi Janaka, Raja Janaka, when they are there, such wonderful well-wishers, why do we need to worry? Whether we are in the forest or we are even in the city, in the kingdom, it is they who are guiding us. They are taking care of anything. Therefore, where is the chinta? Mathe paragura muni mithilesu. As long as our Gura, Vasishta ji, mithilesu Janaka, Gura Muni, Vishwamitra Muni, he is also there. When they are there, Hamahi tumahi sapunehu na kalesu. For both of us, even in dream there will not be any trouble. They will take care. What a confident statement. He did not ask them. Yet, confidently he said, they are there, so don't worry. They will take care. Mora tumhara parama purusharathu स्वारथु सुजसु धर्मु परमारथु. More तुम्हारा, for both of us brothers, you as well as myself, Parama Purushartha, the highest achievement of our human life is what? Swarathu Sujasu Dharamu Paramarathu. All these, Swarathu, material gain, Sujasu, Yasha, glory, Dharamu, virtues, and Paramanathu, the highest goal of human life. That is our ultimate thing. Pitu ayasu palihi duhu bhai. And the only thing which will take us to all of that is pitu ayasu, to obey to our father's commands. He is bringing the topic again very clearly. He is bringing father's command we have to obey. It is in that alone we get all the glory. Therefore, for both of us, father's command is ultimate. Loka beda bhala bhupa bhalai. You know, our father's reputation and our good lies only in obeying. This is what the Vedas say. This is what the Shastras say. Therefore, Veda Bhala Bhupa Bhalai. This is very important for both of us. Gura Pitu Matu Swami Sika Phale. Gura, teacher. Pitu Matu, parents. Swami, master. Sika Phale, just follow the advice. Obey the advice. No question to be asked. Just obey. Chale hukumaga pagar parahi na khale. Don't have to stumble. Now see, there is one very beautiful thing in this line. Please be attentive. Even if, look at the word, even if they direct us into a wrong path, or they go in a wrong path and we follow them, yet our commitment, our sincerity, our truthfulness will protect us, at the same time will slowly change the path to good. Therefore, just obey unconditionally whatever the Guru says. Ramchandra ji is saying, Asabichari sabasocha bihayi. Pondering, asabichari, pondering. Thus, keep away all anxieties. Just keep it away. Keep them aside, brush aside. Palahu avadha. Just obey. Avadha, avadhi, bharijayi. Just go. Obey their orders. Go to Ayodhya till the appointed period. Avadhi bhari bhai. Till the appointed period. When he says, he is also making it clear. Till then, that is 14 years, you do, then I will come. That is the indication. Avadhi bhari bhai. Till then, take care of Ayodhya. Desu kosu parijana parivaru. Gura padarajahi lagacharu bharu. The responsibility, desu kosu parijana parivaru, the responsibility of protection of the desha, land, kosu, treasury, parijana, kinsmen, parivaru, family, our own people, gura padarajahi. It is the best thing is, be at the feet of the Guru. His dust, the preceptor's dust of the feet will take care of everything. The Guru's, the dust in the feet of the Guru is sufficient. Just be at his feet. He will guide. Whatever he guides, just do it. Implement his orders. Tuma muni matu sachiva sikhamani. Palehu puhumi prajarajadhani. As of you, for you, you have to protect the bhumi, that is the kingdom, and your subjects. That is your job. And palehu puhumi prajarajadhani. Please take advice of your Guru, Vasishtha ji, mothers, and minister, Sachiva, Sumantra ji. Take their guidance and take care of the kingdom. And now, Hai Ram, such a beautiful thought, such a beautiful thought. Mukhiya mukhu sochaiye, khan pan kahu ek, palai poshai sakal anga, tulasi sahita bibeka. He says, Mukhya here means the chief. The chief here in the sense, it need not be only the king. The leader, he may be a king, he may be a ruler, he may be the president of a country, he may be the top in an organization, the CEO of a company, the proprietor of a company, or even the head of a family. However he or she may be, the king, Mukhya. Mukhu so chahiye. The chief should be like the mouth. This we have seen earlier. I told, later we will talk about it. It has come. Any head of the family, society, community, organization, company, state or nation, whatever it may be, Mukhya, mukhu so chahiye. Should be like the mouth. How? Khana pana kahu eka. It is only through the mouth, khana eating and pana drinking takes place. We don't eat or drink through any other organ. Such a big body we have, but only through the small mouth we consume. Is it not? Now, palaya poshai sakala anga. But what does the mouth do? It supports and nourishes. Palai poshai sakala anga. It takes care of all the other parts of the body, though it consumes everything. And tulasi sahita bibeka, with discretion it does, says Tulsidas. Now, this has got a lot of things to be thought about. Any head of the organization, he only receives from the society. Think. Now, here in this case, the mouth receives from all the other organs. Through the eyes, it receives the colors, form. Through the tongue, it receives food and it also speaks. Right? And through the skin, it receives the touch. In this particular case, the eyes, ears and hands serve the mouth. How? The eyes tell us what is to be eaten and what is not to be eaten. Through nose, Sugandha parimala from the kitchen. And hands. Hands is very, very extremely important. Many of us eat with spoons. Spoon will not understand whether the item what you are eating is very hot or cold or whatever. The spoon will not understand. Spoon cannot communicate. That is why we have to eat with hands only, not with spoon. When I touch the food with my hand, the hand will understand whether it is very hot or very cold. Is it eatable? How much can go into your mouth? All these the hand decides, isn't it? The hand will not take a big ball and try to put it in the mouth. Hand knows the mouth is only of this size, this much alone it can take. And this is the heat it can handle. Spoon, like soups, etc., when you take it in the spoon, you pour it inside and it starts burning. You can't throw it, you can't drink it. Is it not? Now see how eyes, hands, nose, all of them serve the mouth. Isn't it? The hands will not say, all the time only serving you. One day I am not going to serve you. Will not tell. Why? The mouth which is receiving, which is eating, when it goes inside, it again serves the same limbs by energizing. Is it not? Therefore, the head receives but nourishes everybody. The mouth eats, nourishes the whole body. Similarly, Bharata, you have to go and take care of the entire kingdom, all the praja and people. There is so much to think about it. We will continue tomorrow. All right. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।